I love this answer, but how do you feel about birth control if the stepdaughter is afraid to go to mom and ask, and dad says it's okay for her to get it and wants me, stepmom, to take her to the appointment? Thoughts? Okay. My name is Billy Terrasio, Arizona family law attorney. The question is it okay for a stepmother to take a 14-year-old girl to get birth control if dad says it's okay and mom has not given consent? This comment comes from a video I did a while back about the same situation with regards to razors. A 14-year-old who wanted a razor, mom didn't want her to have one. And in that video, I said that if dad says it's okay for the 14-year-old to have razors at her house, then there's no problem with you, stepmom, buying razors for her daughter. You don't need mom's permission for that. Birth control is different. Birth control is not an activity that happens at one parent's house. Birth control is a medical decision. It's not a personal care decision. It's not a decision like to wear makeup or not to wear makeup, or to shave your legs or not shave your legs. It has bigger consequences, and it's a medical decision. So, stepmom, you should not, I don't recommend you taking a 14-year-old to go get birth control, even if you have dad's permission. Now, are you going to get in trouble? No, but dad is. And dad could end up losing decision-making or losing custody. This is something that should be discussed between two parents, because there are side effects to birth control. And usually if somebody's going on birth control, it's because they're sexually active. That's kind of a major issue, especially for a 14-year-old. And I would expect that both parents would need to talk about that. I don't necessarily feel the same way about condoms. Let's say a 17-year-old boy doesn't want to go to both of his parents and asks one parent for condoms. That is not a medical decision. It's still a big, big deal. And you should think long and hard. It still may be a violation of joint legal decision making to give a child condoms, because it is such a big deal. But legal decision making categories that are plain and simple: medical, religion, education. Those, actually really only education and medical, are clear. And even then, we argue about what's medical and what's educational all the time. Birth control is 100% crystal clear medical decision, and you would want both parents' input.